I haven't done one of these in a while, so what we are in a factory environment. Factories, warehouses, manufacturing, active warehouses, anything is our expertise. So a lot of times you have an RF gun, you're gonna have APs, sometimes with extenders. So a lot of times what we will do is you want to be about 300 feet on your Cat 6 wiring. People can go back and forth and all that good stuff. But what we did here was we placed in IDF, we'll review that in a second, and the IDF is the secondary point from your main computer room. So we just took a fiber, multi-mode. We didn't go like that. We do streets and avenues. That's structured cabling. So we came out here, we won't show the computer room for sake of speed, but we just placed an IDF up here. So now, typically, this is a conversation we'll have with our clients. Typically, we'll try to make it about 10 foot. Now, we're at a ladder factory, so of course they have lots of ladders. Now, they wanted it up high for racking, future growth. Now, they do have to factor in, okay, how do we maintain these switches? The big deal is, again, they're at a ladder factory. So we try to put them about 10 feet on, but this one we went high with. It's just a basic cabinet, and just up there with the threaded rods, unistrut. And it's just a basic patch panel. It's firing up some of these APs. So you'll have your home runs going directly to the IDF. You're good to go. There's handsome Rob on the lift, on a small lift. As you'll notice, Rob has his safety shields on momentarily and a helmet. And you'll also notice that our guys do have the lift harness secured up on there. Keep going, Rob. Yeah, you got that, baby. So all our guys have OSHA, especially the lift courses, and then there's John, our fearless leader, with Matt. So as long as you guys pre-program your APs, we will go ahead and hang them for you. We'll fire up everything. So we're not really an IT company, but we are tricky enough. So this is a project in the Philadelphia area. If you have any needs, and if you don't want to be screaming over a lift, give us a call, 877-832-1206.